This is Exude Personal Portable Fruit and Vegetable Blender. It has a built-in 2000 mAh battery. It also serves as a battery pack for your phones if necessary. The battery can be fully charged in 3 hours, and you can use it 10 to 12 times for the recommended 90 seconds duration each time. The main body is made with borosilicate glass and has a capacity of 380 ml, which is about 13 ounces. There is a stainless steel strainer on the top. It includes a micro USB cable for charging the blender and also an instruction manual. You would need to press the button 2 times to turn on the blender. This is a safety feature to prevent accidentally turning on the blender while cleaning with the blade exposed. To clean, put soap and water and run the blender. I'm testing this with apples, oranges, and kiwi. Make sure to cut them in small pieces. The blender will automatically stop and will have a red blinking LED when it senses that it is jamming. The same thing will happen if it's too thick. I added more water and the blender worked fine.